Welcome to Edenic Gardens. This is our vision, this is our dream. Come along with us. Getting our well pump. It's been almost a month since our well was installed, and now Morgan Well Digging is back again to install our long-awaited well pump. Connecting the pump to the electricity, but keeping the wire buried. They would have come the week after installing our well, but we wanted to shop around for other pumps, which we should have done much sooner. Turned out they were the best option. Other places would have taken 2 weeks or longer to order a pump, and most didn't have the horsepower we need. These guys are fantastic though. So far, we're very grateful we chose them. Recommendation, we went with a 1.5 horsepower pump since we will need it in the near future for the shop and to irrigate our orchard and greenhouse. We're told our well produces about 50 gallons a minute, which is extraordinary and splendid for our needs. This is the last major part that we have been waiting for to complete the utility setup on our homestead. Very grateful for this happy day. The way you see him apply the glue is the same process that was done for the electric conduits that were installed underground. A little piece of knowledge. Electric pipes are gray and plumbing pipes are white for those who don't know. He made sure to give us 3 separate connections. One for the camper, another for the orchard or greenhouse, and a third for the shed, which later on will be used for the shop. Once the pump was installed, I saw that we got plenty of water at 40 psi before the pump actually even kicked in. The water comes out with pretty good force. Depending on the ground surrounding the well, it may take from days to weeks to run clear. One well, he told us, took months. We're told that every time it rains, it may run a little dingy, but will clear on its own. And of course, we're going to have a filter. Although it looks like a pool noodle, it is not to be mistaken for one because it is thicker, offering far more insulation than a regular pool noodle. The mock rock serves to protect the water pump and well from damage and the elements, providing good insulation in addition to the foam on the pipes. We will need to put some metal stakes around the edges to keep the mock rock in place, especially during storms. Once we are done with the shop and the ground, I plan to have some decorative flowers around the base of the mock rock. but it will need to be something that can be easily removed in case of repair. A super productive day. Thank you, Lord. Now we can have water freely. We will need to let the water run through the hose until it comes in clear. At that point, we can then run the hose to the RV with a filter attached. And we'll have to check the filter often since in the beginning there is likely to be a lot of sediments until the water is completely settled. And even then, the rain and storms can stir up sediments, filling up the filter sooner and can lead to a clog and lower water pressure coming into the camper. Stay tuned for more videos. Next up is Officially Moved. If you haven't already, check out our other videos.